Sasageyo!
Good day everyone, I'm Arlan Jimenez Aurelio from STEM 12 St. Paula, and today I'll be going to talk about my Cell City analogy, Attack on Titan version.
お願い。
俺は進み続ける。戦え。悪いな。
This is the Paradise Island in Attack on Titan. But before I compare this island to a cell, let's define what is a cell. Cell is the basic unit of life and have many parts, each with a different function. Some of these parts are called organelles, which perform certain tasks within a cell. Going back to the main point, this is the Paradise Island. It is a massive alien island in which the Wall Rose, Sina, and Wall Maria are located. Let's start with Wall Maria. Wall Maria is the outer wall in Paradise Island that serves as additional protection against Titan. Wall Maria can be compared to the cell wall. It is the additional boundary aside from the cell membrane that provides support and protection to cell and can only be found in plant cell. Then there's the Wall Rose. Wall Rose is the middle and wall of the Paradise Island. It stands 50 meters tall to protect humans from the lurking Titan. It is guarded by a stationary man who allows who or what may come in or out in the wall. It is similar to the cell membrane, which regulates the passage of materials into and out of the cell through a variety of pores. The most essential area of the Paradise Island is guarded by a wall Sina, which is the deepest and most inner of all walls. Similarly, the nuclear membrane, which protects the most important organelles, which is the nucleus. Additionally, it also serves as a barrier between the nucleus contents and the cytoplasm. After that is the King Palace, which is located in the middle and the one that governs all activities that happen on the Paradise Island. It is comparable to the nucleus. The nucleus controls and regulates all of the activities that take place inside the cell, like cell growth and metabolism. It also contains the genetic information of the cell in the form of deoxyribose nucleic acid. Next is the King Fritz. King Fritz has all the knowledge in ruling the Paradise Island and keeping it running. It can be compared to the chromosomes. The chromosomes facilitate proper cell division and replication. It helps in the overall function of the cell for growth, reproduction, and survival. Queen Historia, on the other hand, aids and assists the king in governing the Paradise Island. She is analogous to the nucleus. The nucleus contributes to the formation of ribosomes by processing and assembling rRNA. Next one is the districts, which are located within the wall and where the military conducts most of its operation. Like the cytoplasm, it contains the organelles and provides a platform upon which other organelles can operate within the cell. Following that, soldier is the main creation in the Paradise Island that helps to protect and keep the island running. Similar to protein. Protein are responsible for nearly every task of cellular life, including cell shape and inner organization, product manufacture, waste cleanup, and routine maintenance. Then, there is the military camp. When a trainee goes through the military camp, they are being built to become official military to help the city. Just like the ribosome, which produces proteins that fulfill a variety of functions in the cell. The next one is the graduation area. After trainees finish their military training, they go through graduation in which they will select which unit they would be allocated to. This ceremony is held at the graduation area that is equivalent to Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is a cell organelle that helps in the processing and packaging of substances intended for cell export. Then, it has roads and rivers that serve as the channel and the transport system where the important equipment and weapons are delivered throughout the island of Paradise. This functionality resembles the endoplasmic reticulum, which is also the transport system that carries all necessary materials and nutrients throughout the cell. The headquarters comes next. Throughout the reservation, the military has several buildings that serve as headquarters for the region. They store the weapons such as guns and blades. The role of the military is likened to the vacuole of the cell. The vacuole is the membrane-bound organelles of the cell that stores food and waste. The military has a small division called the medical team. They specialize in getting rid of the undigested human corpse left behind by the Titan after an attack. This is analogous to the lysosomes, which are responsible for eliminating waste inside the cell. The Paradise Island will not function without the supply of electricity, and that is the main role of the power station. It is responsible for the production and supplying energy. It serves as the mitochondria of the island since mitochondria is a site for cellular respiration and the production of adenosine triphosphate energy molecules. Furthermore, the island has a food house. Just like the chloroplast, it provides food for the soldier while the cell chloroplast provides food for the cell through the process of photosynthesis. Chloroplast is only found in plant cells. Lastly are the titans in the wall. In the story of Attack on Titan, a shocking fact was revealed. Gigantic titans are residing inside the walls that are supposed to protect them from the titans themselves. These titans provide support for the walls and comparable to the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton of a cell helps the cell retain its shape and also assists in organelle movement. So that's all. Again, I'm Arlan Jimenez Aurelio. Hope you learned something and thank you for watching.